How to export transparent video in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. So with your sequence selected, we need to go ahead and go up to File, go down to Export and choose Media. In the Media Export window, we want to change the format to QuickTime. We want to change the video codec to animation, and then scroll all the way down to the bitrate, and we want to change this to 8-bit plus alpha. Once you've done that, give your video a name and somewhere to live, and then once you've done all of that, you can choose Export. Premiere Pro is then going to export your video with a transparent background. Now in my demo project here, I have the exported video, and I'm just going to show you that it does export with a transparent background. So I've got the graphic here, as we can see up here. I'm just going to drag a video underneath this graphic so that we can see that this did in fact export with a transparent background like so. And that's all there is to it.
If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.